this is a good one. So this is actually very easy. I need to go to the elevation. So let's just make sure, go to ground floor. Now it's this elevation that I need to look at. Hey, yeah. Okay, now select. So center of the door is going to go in this area over here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to select this area just like this. I'm going to go to filter, and here I'm going to say check none. I just want the curtain panels, the mullions. I just need the wall mullions and curtain panels. Press apply, press OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpin all of these and delete. Okay. So now you can see I've removed this information. Now the last thing I need to do is I need to remove a section of these grids. I need to remove these grids. So select the grid. Here you see you can remove. You'll see that it's disappearing. You see that's disappearing? Click this grid now, remove that one and that one. Remove, okay, again, so just click in the middle, select this one, remove. Now you see that this is 1 million. If I tab, that's one panel, and tab again, and that's another panel. See that? Yes. Now, click on this vertical grid, and you're going to go minus again, and select this one. Now, in 3D view, this is one piece of glass. Now, I'm going to go and find, so now I can go and find a door, which this double door. I'll just use a single door for this for the time being. If I use the single door, voila. Okay. No, so here I'm going to show you. If you need a double door, the first place I would go to insert. I'll go to load Autodesk families. Guys, just make sure this is going to be English United Kingdom. Do not use the US one, it will drive you nuts. Here you're going to go to curtain wall panels, because actually it's a curtain wall panel, not a door. Go and get your double door, load it. Select this door. Yeah, don't edit type. Go here, double door. Voila. Just make sure that the materials match. But there, check, easy. You can go and edit this frame. So you can open this door. So what I'll do is here, I'll go here, and I'll go and say edit family. Okay. Cool. Now, if you've got a plinth wall, and then you've got a shop front above, then you've got, so that's tricky. So in essence on site how they would do it, they'll make a frame, put it on the plinth wall. Then they'll make a new frame where the door goes, then they'll make another frame next to it, in your scenario. So, Xavier, can I just show on the side here? I'm just going to show something on the side here and I'll record this. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this side over here. Okay, so ground floor. Now, you go and create similar, because you've used these walls, and this is coming on nicely. Create similar. Now I'm going to start creating a shop front over here. Remember, these lines are always to the exterior. Now I'm going to say create similar again, so I create another one, create similar. So here I create another one just off, so that's where my door will sit. Make that 1200. So remember, exterior, and then this one I'll copy that one, and I'll put this one next to this one. So this does take a bit of understanding. Okay, now I'm going to go to 3D view. Now this one, okay, let me just change all of these quickly. This one and this, come on. That, control, come on. That, control. Make sure that these are 0, so they go to level 1. This maybe make it off ground floor, that must be 2400. Now this is 0 for the time being. Okay, this one, so this middle one will technically start from ground floor, 0. Oh yeah, the levels, why are the levels so different here? Okay, but you understand, so this is subfloor. Yeah, something's a bit wacky with your subfloor levels. 150 for now. No, 175. But whilst your floor slab, okay, never mind. We can sort that out. Now you see this is a different system, but you make a new type here. You can give this a curtain wall, duplicate this. So that middle one, you can say duplicate, you can say door open for this type of situation. Remove that, and here we're going to have none of these, none of these mullions. No mullions, it's just literally, okay, let's keep it won't have interiors, it won't have any of these, so let's just say none, and it won't have any of these, none. Press OK, delete mullions. So in essence, it's just one. You can delete these grids as well, so unpin that, delete those. So technically, this is just a sheet of glass in essence. Delete that grid, so you've got to delete the grid. Okay, wait, this is not working. This shouldn't be divided, edit type. This shouldn't have any of this maximum stuff. It's just because the way it's been created. So let's just go here. Tab, select that guy, just have to use this minus key. But if you'd used the right family, it would have. Oh, it should delete. Come on. Why is it dividing it vertically? It should not divide it vertically. Edit type. Layout vertically, and let's just make this, to fix this quickly, I'm going to say none, none. That fixes it. Apply. Yes, delete guidelines, press OK. Okay, now it should delete those two. Tab. No. Come on. That. Come on. Tab. If you work on elevations, you can get these things better. Okay, I'm just going to fix this all quickly. Select all of these guys, select the panels, check none. Curtain wall grids, press OK, delete, nice A. Okay, now with this panel selected, you make just this panel a door. Okay, so select that, check none, just say panels. Now there's two selected. I'm just going to view here. There. Panel, make sure it's unpinned. Watch this. Make this a double door. No, but that's easy now. The curtain wall now, watch this. If I go and I grab this panel, so tab. Yeah, so here in the curtain wall, okay, let me just pin this again. Here, then you go to architecture. Here you just go, there's a system here. You go curtain panel grid. Guess what? I'm going to add one segment. And this will align with the top panel here. Watch, it will actually automatically align. Now you select this bottom panel. Unpin that, make that a door. Now, if you've got the situation, you need to add a mullion back. So you need to go to mullion. Make sure it's a rectangle mullion. This is a little tricky. Make sure it's a rectangle mullion, so 30 by 90, and you add it back at the top. Voila. Easy, easy. Okay.